Hello, children. Today we are going to start with chapter 4, that is the Great Indian Desert. What is our Great Indian Desert? That is Thar Desert. Where does it lie? Where does it lie? It lies in the Rajasthan. So there is a Manish who lives in Meghalaya where he sees that all rainfall almost every day. He is fascinated to know that there is also a place in India which receive very little rainfall. Let's see about that place. That is your Great Indian Desert, Thar Desert, which lies in the Rajasthan. Where is the Thar Desert situated? It is situated towards the west of Northern Plain. It covers almost three-fifths of the state of Rajasthan. Its extend from the Aravallis in the east to the border of the Pakistan in the west, and from Rann of Kutch in the south to the border of the state of Haryana in the north. If we talk about climate, so the climate is extreme type, and in summer days are very hot and nights are very cold because the sun gets heated quickly and cools down quickly as well. In winter, the days are warm but nights are dry. Winds blow throughout the year and carry no moisture. There is no or very little rainfall. Here if we talk about, there is no, या तो बारिश होती ही नहीं है या बहुत कम होती है. Right? Lamb. A large part of Thar Desert is covered with sand lag and rest is covered with rocks and pebbles. Small hillocks of sand can be seen at many places. The hillocks are known as sand dunes, and the sand dunes are not permanent and they keep changing their position. When the strong winds blow, they shift the sand dunes from one place to another. The strong winds carry a large amount of sand with them, and so these are known as sandstorms. What we call them? Sandstorms. Water is scarcely available in the desert. At some places, if we talk about, underground water in the form of spring comes up to the surface and form a small water body. Trees like date palm fig grow around this water body. ये fertile spots को हम oasis कहते हैं. Right? People also settle around the oasis because the sand is very difficult to travel in the desert. Right? Because sand में क्या होता है, बहुत hard हो जाता है travel करना. People generally use camels as a means of transport in the desert. This is because camels have padded feet and they can easily walk on the sand. They can live without water for many days. For all this reason, camel is called ship of desert. What we call this camel? The ship of desert. They have extra transparent eyelids also, जो उनकी eyes को protect करते हैं किससे? Sandstorms. Next is life of the people of Thar Desert. Rajasthan, which is the largest state of India in terms of area. Its capital is Jaipur, which is called Pink City over here because most of the houses and buildings of the city are painted in pink color. Shortage of water is the main problem over here. Loon is the only river that flows through the desert and it is a seasonal river. What type of river is Luni? It's a seasonal river, right? Due to harsh climatic condition and shortage of water, बहुत कम plants हैं देखने को मिलते हैं like cactus, acacia, date palm, right? Some people of Rajasthan are nomads. They keep moving from one place to another in search of food and water. These nomads usually settle down near the oasis and they are also known as Banjaras. People in Rajasthan are mainly farmers and shepherds. Agriculture was not possible here until few years back. After the construction of Indira Gandhi Canal, it has now become possible to bring water from the Satluj River to Rajasthan. Crops which are grown over here is wheat, sugar, oilseeds, cotton and tobacco, right? If we talk about Rajasthan, it's had here the mineral deposits are also found like zinc, mica and copper. Presence of minerals have increased quarrying and mining. Rajasthan is also famous for its marble, sandstone and granite, right? The people are skilled in managing handicrafts such as tie and dye, stonework, embroidery, Rajasthani quilts and jewelry. The main language spoken here are Rajasthani and Hindi. The people of Thar Desert are, what they do, they wear colorful clothes over here. The men wear dhoti kurta and colorful turban. Women wear ghagra choli with odhni over here. Next is Tej, Gangaur and Dashera Diwali Eid are the main festival. Here the people are very much fond of music and dance and the main folk dance is Ghumar, right? Your Kachi Godi Chari fire dance. Dal Batti Churma is the famous dish over here. राजस्थान ये फेमस टूरिस्ट प्लेस भी है, थाउजेंड्स ऑफ टूरिस्ट फ्रॉम ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड विजिट है। एंड हवा महल, अंबा फोर्ट, चित्तौड़गढ़ फोर्ट आर famous tourist spot. Mount Abu is famous for its Dilwara temple. Rajasthan has many wildlife sanctuary like Ranthambore National Park, Sariska Tiger Reserve and Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Jaisalmer, Ajmer, Jodhpur, Udaipur, Bikaner, these are some important cities over there, right? This is all about the Thar Desert. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.